In this video, I will explain the difference between leverage with the broker and leverage in prop trading. They might seem the same, but they work very differently. Let's start with the broker. Let's say you deposit $1,000 in your trading account. Your broker gives you leverage, for example, 1 to 100. That means you can open a position worth up to $100,000. Sounds good, right? Well, here's the catch. You are risking your own money. If the market goes against you, you can lose your entire deposit very quickly. And with the high leverage, even small price movement can wipe you out. In some cases, if your broker doesn't offer negative balance protection, you might even end up owning money. Now let's look at the prop trading. In prop trading, you're given access to what's called a funded account. For example, $100,000. But that money isn't yours. You are not trading with your own capital. You are trading with the firm's money. Your job is to follow the specific rules. There are limits like a maximum daily loss or a total drawdown. If you break those limits, your account is closed, but you don't lose any of your personal money because you didn't deposit anything. In prop trading, you don't really use classic leverage like with a broker. It's more about risk allocation. You can open large positions, but only as long as you stay with the risk parameters. And the best part, with the prop firm, you can manage up to several $100,000 in capital. That is a huge opportunity, especially if you have strategy, but you don't have a big budget to start with. So, to wrap it up, with a broker, you use your own money, and if you lose, it's your loss. With a prop firm, you trade the firm's money, and your job is to follow the rules and manage risk properly. The firm takes all the risk, so you won't lose your own money. On top of that, you can manage much bigger account. If this helped you understand the difference, leave the comment or share this with someone who also looking to start trading. If you want to find out how to pass challenges and get funded, you can join our upcoming webinar. Just click the link below.